Why do 90% of home cooks overcook protein in the oven? Because they don't use the air fryer's speed and heat right. Here's the fix. Step 1. Pick your protein. Chicken breast, salmon, pork chop, tofu, trim, pat dry. Step 2. Season smart. Salt, pepper, a little oil, smoked paprika, curry, chili powder. Step 3. Score thicker pieces so heat gets in fast. Light spray or brush of oil keeps crust golden. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees, 200 degrees for 2 minutes. Don't skip it. Single layer in the basket, space between pieces, cook at 380 to 400 degrees, 200 degrees for 8 to 12 minutes depending on thickness. Flip halfway. Tip: thin proteins, hit done in 6 to 8 minutes. Thicker ones need 12 to 15 and an internal temp check. Rest 3 minutes to lock juices. Squeeze citrus drizzle sauce. Clean the basket while it cools. Easy win. Crispy outside, tender inside. Any protein. 1. Air fryer. Endless dinner wins. Try it tonight.